So this is my code for my Morse code program. First off, we start off with the dictionary for English into Morse code. So we have every single letter in the alphabet followed by a translation into the Morse code language. And so this is a dictionary. So each bracket contains a key and a value. So the left hand side is a key and the right hand side is a value. So we can call A and it will return full stop space underscore. We declare what the variables are in through the greater than and less than sign. So we have string and a string. You can do integer and a string, or you can do string and an integer. And then dictionary, which is for Morse code into English. So we have a Morse code, and then when we can call whatever is in the Morse code, and it will return us A, for example, or B. Yeah, so then first we have the encode button. So this is done without any arrays. The second one for decoding will. So first it empties the label, and then it's going to take whatever the user has inputted, change it into lowercase and save it to the string message. Then we have a string character, which is empty for now. And then we do a for loop for the length of the message, and then we take a little substring. So the first letter will be in our substring, and also the character. And then we're gonna compare it, and then recall. We're gonna check if it's in the dictionary, and then call the dictionary to return us a value. Then we do this just slightly differently with a decode button. It will is inputted into an array, and then separate each word into an array, and then it's going to take the elements and compare them to the dictionary, and then it will return the English. And here we use for each loops, which are similar to for loops, except it's a lot more simpler. So we can use string Morse word in Morse words. It will split an array into words, so we can ask our dictionary if this code is in it. And how we do this is the user will put a 3 gap in between each letter and a 7 space gap in between each word, so it will make it easier for the code to decipher between a letter and a word. Now for the program itself, here we're going to start up. Now here we see we have two buttons, encode and decode. So if we put in something, this is Morse code, we will see the Morse code translation, and now there'll be a 3 space gap between each letter and a 7 space gap in between each word. Now here, if we translate something in from Morse to English, I don't know Morse off by heart, so I'm gonna just this is from the dictionary I've created here. Put A, then a 3 space for another letter. We put B, and we put a 7 gap for a different word. Okay, then we put H and I, and then we get A, B, then we have space and I.